How to cancel a DoorDash order. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, you want to open the DoorDash app on your device and make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the orders option at the bottom of your screen. Once you're here, you are going to find the list of all of your orders. If you want to cancel any, you simply want to tap on the order that you want to cancel. Then tap help in the top right corner of your screen. Now select cancel order. Then follow the on-screen prompts to complete the cancellation. You can also cancel a DoorDash order by calling the DoorDash customer service. You can very easily find the customer service number on the DoorDash app itself. Now, there are some things you need to keep in mind while canceling a DoorDash order. You can only cancel an order before it is confirmed by the restaurant. If you cancel an order after it has been confirmed, you may be charged a cancellation fee. If you cancel an order after the dasher has been assigned, the dasher may be still compensated for the time and effort. And this is how you can cancel a DoorDash order, and that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.